Okay, HTML file was created, favicon was added, and we have started live server. And now it's a good time to insert some JavaScript code into our project. And there are two ways to do that. You can either place JavaScript code directly into the HTML document, or you can place it separately into separate file and add reference to this file here in the HTML document. Let's start with first option. Let me hide this Explorer pane and let's scroll down to the body tag. So usually all scripts are added before the end of the body of the HTML document. The reason for that is simple. Every browser needs to load contents of the HTML file as soon as possible, and only then execute any scripts. And second reason is that JavaScript can change contents of the HTML document. And if HTML was not yet rendered at the browser side, you will get errors when JavaScript will try to perform some actions with contents of the HTML document. So let's add script before the end of the body section here. In order to add JavaScript code directly into the HTML file, we need to use script tags. So simply type script and press tab. And here you will see opening and closing script tags. And between them you can type any JavaScript code. For example, let's type following line: console dot log, then parentheses, then double quotes, and here let's write greeting from the JavaScript. And add here semicolon at the end. Let's save this and see what we will get here in the console. If console is not opened here, please choose console here. Okay, let's save this file, and here is the result: greeting from JavaScript. Notice that as soon as I make any changes here in my project, live server will automatically reload contents of the project folder. Let's add here one more exclamation mark and save, and you will immediately see change here. Please don't worry about this syntax for now. We will talk about that just in a couple of lessons. For now, you need to understand that you can easily embed JavaScript code directly into the HTML file. And for that, you need to use pair of those tags, opening script tag and closing script tag. And between them, write any valid JavaScript code. For example, I can copy this line, paste it here below, and write here, for example, greeting from the embedded JavaScript. Let's save, and now I will see two messages here in the console. Okay, let's add one more console log statement here. So console log, and here type 2 plus 2 without any double quotes. Let's save, and here you will get 4. Also here on the right side you see name of the file and number of the line where each message was generated from. For example, this greeting was generated by line 16, this one. Okay, that's all for this lesson, and in the next one we will create a separate file with JavaScript code. And here in the HTML file we will add reference to this file. But before moving on with external JavaScript file, let me quickly show you how I will save those changes into the Git branch. And let me show you this after the small pause. See you! Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider enrollment to the full-length JavaScript Bible course. Link is here. See you in the next videos, and I wish you happy learning. Bye-bye.